Hi everyone. So first exam in the series is about to happen. INI CET mid-year and only 1 week is left. Um, so there are no strategies in the last 1 week, but all I will say from my side is that put your best. AIMS is known to repeat the topics. So my suggestion to you is please make sure that you are very well versed with the last 3 year AIMS topic. And when I'm saying last 3 year AIMS topic, that means whatever that have been asked in the last 3 years, that means 6 papers. A lot of people were asking me that what about PGI, JIPMER. I do not think that this is a time when you need to spend too much on the previous year PGI or JIPMER paper. Just focus on to the last 3 year topics that were asked in the AIMS exam. So that means total of 1200 questions, or you can say total of 1200 topics. I will not say those 1200 topics because a lot of them will be repeated. Another important point that I want to raise that you should focus on the last week is a lot of people were thinking that the paper is totally COVID. So that is not gonna happen. Obviously, there will be questions from the COVID, but do not think that entire 200 question will be on COVID. Some post-COVID complication, there are points. AIMS is working a lot on that. You can work on them related to mucor. I mean, some broad points or vaccination, the different kind of vaccination. These are the things that you need to be aware of. But do not think that the entire paper will be from COVID. There will be non-COVID time points. In terms of the pattern of the paper, again, as I feel that it will be same as was the last paper with the single best answer response. But again, the A and B are true, A, B, C and true. They should be there. Usually, AIMS is known to ask some common procedures that are asked in the exam in your normal MBBS as an intern. So please make sure that you are well versed with that. The single most important advice that I want to give is last 3 year AIMS papers. And not just the papers, rather the 3 year topics. AIMS is known to ask the same topic in a different way. Do not spend too much time on the other institute papers, and I am sure that that will help you in fetching some more marks in the last 7 days. Okay, do not waste much of the time in thinking here and there whether it will be postponed or not. Please consider that it is happening, and I'm sure you all will do very well. So take care and all the best.